Hello and welcome to Journey to be Self-Sustainable. My name's Matt and today we're going to remove an old tree that didn't survive and replace it with some new one. First thing we need to do is take the netting off. We had the netting up just to stop the birds from getting the fruit when they were fruiting last year. This process of taking the net off took a while, as I did a really good job of cable tying it last year as a quick fix. The apple tree you can see on the left there didn't survive over the summer, so we're going to pull that one out and plant a new one. First thing we need to do is just trim back some of the citronella that's overgrown past where it needs to. So we'll clean it up so it's a nice open space for the new tree to start growing. To make life easier, we're just going to clear some of the topsoil and mulch off. Get a couple of bricks out that we used to stop the chickens when they were roaming around from digging up the roots. Not too sure why this one didn't do too well. As you can see, the soil is nice and healthy. Now that the old tree's out, we're going to make the hole a little bit bigger. Make sure we put some sheep manure down the bottom just to give the new tree a nice bit of nutrient. So you can see, give it a nice healthy dose of horse manure. Gives it plenty of nutrients to dig into when it first gets put in. These trees come out quite easily in these small plastic pots. If they do get stuck, just got to squeeze the sides a little bit, even give it a little roll if need be, and they'll pop straight out. Just make sure when you do put them in the hole, that graft line, which you can see just below my hand, is above the ground, otherwise struggle to grow. A tree graft is where they put a young healthy branch onto a rootstock from an older tree, which helps it fruit earlier. And of course, give it the best chance it can, make sure it's nice and straight and got plenty of support so it doesn't fall over in the wind when it's first establishing its roots. Next step that we're going to do is just get some of this mulch and give it a good layer on top. This will protect the soil from getting sun damaged and getting all sandy, helps it hold the water and give it the best chance it has. This apple tree is brand new, so we'll have to dig a new hole for it. Same as before, dig it nice and deep. What we did earlier, a couple of weeks ago, was put a big layer of mulch down. As you can see, it's in some nice soil already. Once again, you want to dig it nice and deep and wide, put lots of manure down the bottom, give that extra bit of nutrients. It's a nice red apple henna. Once again, make sure it has lots of support and that you don't go over that graft layer. And then get a layer of mulch, and as you see here, a bit of manure as well, just add a little bit of extra. Once it's all done, make sure you give it lots of water. Now, if you guys have planted trees yourselves and found some tips that could help everyone else, leave a comment down below. And if you have any further questions, leave us a comment down below and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.